Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Math for me and you. Let's learn maths together. Hello everyone, in this video we practice question number 2. What we need to do in this question is form the pair of linear equation and solve by using elimination method. So we need to prepare two linear equation and solve by using elimination method. See this question. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 over 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? That means we need to find the fraction. What is a fraction? A fraction consists of two numbers, one number up and one number down. We can start. Let the fraction be x over y. See, here we are taking two variables because we need two equations with variables x and y, and we are taking the fraction as x over y. One number up, one number down. The above number is known as numerator. So the numerator here it is x and denominator the down number is y. Let us mark x is the numerator, the number above the line, and y the below number, its name denominator. Now we read the question, and from the question we can form the linear equations in x and y. If we add 1 to the numerator, add means plus, numerator that is x. We are going to add, that means plus 1 to x plus 1. If we add x1 to the numerator, okay. And subtract 1 from the denominator. What is the meaning subtract? Minus. From the denominator, here denominator is y, subtract 1, minus 1. Then the fraction is equal to 1. This is the first sentence says. So we can write x plus 1 over y minus 1 is equal to 1. Just simplify this equation, arrange, and then we can put equation number 1. Now we are going to arrange, cross multiply, and x plus 1 on the left side we keep, move y minus 1 and multiply with 1 on the right side, we get 1 times y minus 1 is y minus 1. Now we are going to arrange this as a linear equation, x and y in one side, number to the other side. When we move y to the left side, it becomes minus y. X minus y equals minus 1 is minus 2. That is equation number 1. We put it as equation number 1. Now we read the second condition. It becomes 1 over 2. That means the fraction value is equal to 1 over 2. What time? If we only add 1 to the denominator, that means the numerator there is no change, but we are adding 1 with the denominator, then the fraction is equal to 1 over 2. Here also we can simplify this by cross multiply, and we can adjust to get the second linear equation. Okay, cross multiply, what we get? 2 times x is 2x. 1 times y plus 1. It is same, y plus 1. Keep y and x in one side. 2x. Then move y to the left side. It becomes minus y. Then we get only 1 on the right side. 2x minus y equals 1. Let it be equation number 2. Equation number 1 and equation number 2 ready. We are using elimination method. Elimination means cancel either x or y. Here we are cancelling y because see the number or the coefficient of y is 1. I'm not taking negative. I'm just telling the number. It is 1. When we look the sign, it is minus 1, and the second equation also minus 1. How to eliminate y? If they are same, then we can subtract equation number 1 minus equation number 2. Then what we get? What is equation number 1? It is x minus y is equal to minus 2. Equation number 2 we subtract. Subtract means what? We change the sign for each term. When you subtract, 2x becomes minus 2x, minus y becomes minus plus y, and 1 becomes minus 1. So we are subtracting, then we get minus 2x plus y equals minus 1. What result we get? X minus 2x. X means it is 1. 1 minus 2. It is minus 1x or minus x. Minus y plus y. Cancel. Minus 2 minus 1, it is minus 3. Minus x equals minus 3. So what about positive x? X is equal to positive 3. Minus x equals minus 3 means positive x equals positive 3. X means the numerator. The numerator is 3. How can we find y or the denominator? Substitute this value in any of the given two equations. We are going to find the value of y. I am selecting equation number 1. You can select any equation, it's not a problem. I am just selecting equation number 1. 1, it is x minus y equals minus 2. So we get 3 minus y equals minus 2. 3 we can move to the other side. We get only minus y on the left side, minus 2. 3 becomes minus 3 on the right side. Minus 2 minus 3 is how much? Minus 5. Here also we get minus y equals minus 5. What about positive y? Y is equal to positive 5. We can write y is equal to 5. Denominator also we got. Now we can write the fraction. It is 3 over 5. Numerator value is up and denominator value down. That's the answer. In this question, it says 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? So we need to find the age of Noori and Sonu. That means two variables. We can select x as the age of Noori and y as the age of Sonu. So let x be the age of Noori and y be the age of Sonu. What next? We have to form two equations. How to form? Read the question. From that sentences we can form two equations. See here it is given 5 years ago. Ago means something in the past, before. So if we get a question ago like this, to write down the age, then what we do is we subtract that number. 5 years ago means we have to subtract 5. What is subtract? It is minus. If you are now 12 years age, 5 years back means 12 minus 5, 7 years. Same like that. Now Noori was 6 years old. 5 years ago, Noori's age was x minus 5. And it is given, this is thrice. Thrice means what? 3 times. As old as Sonu. Sonu's age now y. 5 years ago, y minus 5. Subtract 5. Y minus 5. So we get an equation, but we need to simplify. There is a bracket. We can remove the bracket by multiplying with the 3. Then rearrange the equation. Then we get 3y minus 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Collect x and y in same side, numbers in the other side. X, then 3y comes to the left side as minus 3y is equal to minus 15 plus 5, that is minus 10. Now this is linear equation. We could mark it as equation number 1. Read the second condition. 10 years later. That means after 10 years. That means whatever the age now, we have to do plus 10. If you see later, later means we need to add. It is addition here. 10 years later means we add 10. So later it shows addition. Then if the age of Noori is x, we have to do x plus 10 to get the age after 10 years. We could write after 10 years. So it is x plus 10, age of Noori is twice as. Twice means what? 2 times age of Sonu. Now Sonu's age is y. So after 10 years, y plus 10. We get an equation, but we need to remove the bracket. 2 times y, 2 times 10. Then 2y plus 20 we get. Same like the previous equation, we have to collect x and y in same side, numbers to the other side. X plus y comes as minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10 is 10 we get. And then we could mark it as equation number 2. Equation number 1 and equation number 2 ready. Now we are going to find the values of x and y. We use elimination method. That means either eliminate x or y. If you are eliminating x or y, the coefficient must be same. Here already x coefficient are same. So we are going to eliminate x. And see the coefficient of x in both equations 1. So we can take first equation minus second equation so that we can eliminate x. When we subtract the second equation, x becomes minus x, minus 2y becomes minus plus 2y, and 10 becomes minus 10. We could write the equations. X minus 3y equals minus 10, which is the first equation. And now the second equation we are subtracting. So x becomes subtract x minus x, then plus 2y is equal to minus 10. Minus x plus x cancel. Minus 3y plus 2y, it is minus y, is equal to minus 10 is minus 20. Minus y equals minus 20. From here we can write what is positive y equals positive 20. That means we got the value of y. Now we need to find the value of x. For that you can substitute in any equation. I am substituting in equation number 1. Substitute the value of y in equation number 1. Equation 1 is x minus 3y equals minus 10. X minus 3 times 20 equals minus 10. 3 times 20 is 60, minus 60. Then we can move that minus 60 to the right side. Minus 10 plus 60 we get. And x equals, what is minus 10 plus 60? It is 60 minus 10 is 50. We get the value of x as 50. We have selected x as the age of Noori. So we can write age of Noori is 50 and age of Sonu is 20. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. See the question, we need to find a 2-digit number. Here we can select x and y as the digits and we can find the number. The number is 2 digits. So one digit will be in the unit place and other digit will be in the tens place. Here I am taking, let x be the digit in the tens place. Then of course, what about y? So we can consider y or take y as the digit in the unit place. Now we write, let y be the digit in the unit place. Then very important, how to write the number. If we get the digits, how to write the number, we must know. For that I will show you a number. Consider a number. I am considering the number 24. And 24 means its tens place is 2 and unit place digit is 4. Then we write the number according to the place value as 2 times 10, because 2 in the tens place, plus 4 times, unit means 1, 4 times 1. See, 2 times 10 is 20. 20 plus 4. Then we get 24. So the number we can split as 20 plus 4, 24. If we get any number, we can write in this way. According to the place value, we can split and write. If we have the digits x and y, how to write the number? I told you, very important. We are going to write the number. According to the place value, we have to write the number. The number, its tens place is x. So according to the place value, it is x times 10 plus y times 1. X times 10 means it is 10x plus y. So the number we get 10x plus y. We cannot join again. We write like this, it is 10x plus y. Now we can come back to the question. It is given that the sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. Sum means plus, total. 2 digits. What are the digits? We have taken the digits as x and y. So we get an equation, x plus y, the sum is equal to 9. And this equation, it's a linear equation with the variable x and y. We can put it as equation number 1. Read the second line. Also 9 times this number. So we write 9 times 9. After that we can use a bracket to indicate times. Then the number. What is the number? We wrote it as 10x plus y is equal to twice the number. Twice means what? 2 times. So we write 2 and bracket 2 times the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Reverse means change. In place of x, write y, and in place of y, write x. So we write 10y plus x. Remove the bracket and collect the similar terms on one side. So we are going to remove the bracket. 9 times 10. 90x. 9 times y, it is 9y plus 9y is equal to 2 times 10y, it is 20y plus 2 times x, 2x. Next we will collect the similar terms on one side. 90x, also 2x on the right side, we will collect on same side. 90x, then 2x comes on the left side as minus 2x. Next is y term, 9y, that is on the left side it is, so it is plus 9y, same it is. 20y we take to the left side as minus 20y, and all the terms on we have moved on the left side, it becomes 0 on the right side. What is 90x minus 2x? 90 minus 2, it is 88x. Plus 9y minus 20y, big number 20 minus 9. Then we get the value 11, but the big number negative, so the answer is minus 11y. Minus 20 plus 9 is minus 11. The right side is 0. We can see it is multiple of 11, 88 and 11. So we divide throughout with 11. This will help us to get a smaller equation. That's why we are dividing with 11. When we divide with 11, the first term becomes 8x and plus and minus becomes minus. 11 cancel, only y on there, and then 0 over any number is 0. So we get 0 over 11 is 0. New equation 8x minus y equals 0. Let it be equation number 2. Equation 1 and equation 2 are ready. We are going to eliminate which variable x or y? Yes, we eliminate y because see the coefficient of y. It is 1. Positive 1 and negative 1. Opposite sign. If they are in opposite sign, we can add these two equations so that they will eliminate. Take equation number 1 plus equation number 2. What is equation number 1? X plus y equals 9. Second equation is 8x minus y equals 0. Now we can add x plus 8x. 1x plus 8x is 9x. Plus y minus y cancel. And 9 plus 0 is 9. 9x equals 9. What about x? X equals 9 over 9, that is 1. When we get the value of x, we can substitute this in any of the equations and find the value of y. I'm selecting equation number 1. The equation is x plus y equals 9. Substitute in equation number 1. In place of x, we put 1. So it is 1 plus y equals 9. What is y? Y equals 9 minus 1, that is 8. So we get the two digits x and y. How to write the number? We are going to write the number and we know the number. It's of the form 10x plus y. Just replace x and y with their corresponding numbers. Then we can write the number. The number is, in place of x, put 1 and in place of y, put 8. So 10 times 1 plus 8. That is 10 plus 8. 10 times 1 is 10 plus 8. What is the number? 18. Two-digit number is 18. Okay, let's solve the next question. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 note and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So two items we need to find. Number of rupees 50 notes and number of rupees 100 notes. We can select them as x and y. Let the number of 50 rupees notes be x. And let the number of 100 rupees notes be y. So we have selected x and y. When we read the sentence, Meena got 25 notes in all. This means total notes 25. That means x notes plus y notes. Total notes is 25. X plus y is equal to 25. Equation number 1 we can put. In the first sentence, it is given Meena went the bank to withdraw rupees 2000. So she has 2000 rupees right now. That means 50 notes plus 100 notes. But 50 in how many number? X in number. It is 50x plus 100 rupees notes. How many in number? Y in number. It is 100 times y. Then what is the total amount she has? She has the total amount 2000. 50x plus 100y equals 2000. We are going to eliminate either x or y. Here easy to eliminate y. See, the second equation coefficient of y is 100, and the first equation, if we multiply with 100, then the first equation also we could get the coefficient of y as 100. Equation number 1 times 100. 100 times x, it is 100x, plus 100 times y, 100y is equal to 25 times 100, 2500. This is new equation, so let it be equation number 3. And then write equation number 2 just below this. 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Now the coefficient of y in both equations are same. How can we eliminate y? Both are plus. So if we subtract, we can cancel y terms. Equation number 3, the new equation, minus equation number 2. 100 minus 50. And 100 minus 100. Also 2500 minus 2000. 100 minus 50 is 50x. Y terms cancel. 2500 minus 2000. It is 500. 50x equals 500. How can we find the value of x? Divide 500 with 50. Cancel 0 and then 5 and 50 cancel. So we get the value of x as 10. We get the value of x. Substitute in any of the equation and find the value of y. Easiest equation is equation number 1. Equation number 1 changes to 10 plus y is equal to 25. What is y? Move 10 to the right side. It becomes 25 minus 10. That is 15. We get the value of y is 15. What is x? X is the number of rupees 50 notes. And what is y? Y is the number of 100 rupee notes. Last question. A leading library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each day. Here we need to find two things, fixed charge and the charge per day thereafter. So we are going to take x and y as the fixed charge, and after these fixed charge days, that means after 3 days, the charge per day as y we will select. Let x be the fixed charge and y be the charge per day thereafter. Now we need to form the pair of linear equations, two linear equations. How can we form? We will read the question and find. It is given that Sarita paid rupees 27 for 7 days. When we consider 7 days, we can split this as fixed charge days and the extra charge per day thereafter. So total for 7 days, Sarita paid 27 rupees. 7 days if we consider, 3 days only fixed charge she had to pay, and other days, that means the rest of the days, how many? 3 plus 4. So it is 4 days she had to pay extra charge per day. We could write 3 days the charge is x. So x plus extra charge for 4 days, 4 times y is equal to total she paid 27. It is 27 and equation number 1 is ready. Again when we read, it's given that Susie paid rupees 21 for 5 days. Okay, we can consider 5 days case. 5 days total 21 rupees she paid, and 5 days when we split as fixed charge days 3 and the remaining days 2. So 2 and y per day. So it is for 3 days x and for 2 days 2 times y. X plus 2y is equal to 21. Now we get the second equation. Let it be equation number 2. Two equations, linear equations are ready. We have to solve by using elimination. We can cancel x because the coefficients are equal. And 1 minus 2, if we do, we can cancel x. Equation number 1 minus equation number 2. X minus x, cancel. And then 4 minus 2y we have to do subtraction. That's why 27 minus 21 we need to do. 4 minus 2y is 2y is equal to 6. 27 minus 21 is 6. 2y equals 6. What about y? Y equals 6 over 2, that is equal to 3. We get the value of y. What is y? Y is the charge per day. And now we can find the value of x by using y. substitute in any of the equations. The smallest equation is equation number 1. I am selecting equation number 1. That is x plus 4 times 3 equals 27. What is 4 times 3? 12. 12 we can move to the right side. X equals 27 minus 12. How much it is? It is equal to 15. So we get x as 15. But what is x? X we have taken as the fixed charge. And what about y? Y is the charge per day thereafter. So we got the two variables x and y by using elimination. Hope you understand what we have practiced over here. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. See you with more useful videos. Thank you.